Alright, hello. This is a recording for the control configuration sa BMT. So, welcome ka sa 2BCT. So, ito muna yung una natin gagawin. Escape, Options, Controls, Common. So, una nyo yung gagawin is, gagawin nyo itong Task Overview. Delete natin siya. Okay. And then, scroll down. Hanapin nyo si Last Help. Click. And delete. Okay. Okay. Then go to weapons. Hanapin natin si throw. Unbind natin si throw. Delete. And then okay. So next thing that we're going to do is go to configure add-ons. Ang natin gagawin is this one. Tayo sa Ace Common. Yung natin dito, top shoulder, palitan natin ng G. Okay? Then, yung open medical menu, instead of H, palitan natin siya ng J. Okay? Right, so, for the movement, muna tayo dito sa, Five Nights APS. So, yung jump or vault is gawin natin control space. So, ayan na. Control V, ayan. Tandaan nyo lang to, no? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to TFAR. So, I suggest na i-delete nyo to lahat, no? Kasi minsan nagkakaroon ng problema. So, LR1 to 9, SR1 to 8. So, delete natin ito. Kasi pag na-control, na-repinot nyo yung numpad nyo, may chance na yung radio. What do you call this? May chance kasi na malipat yung channel. So, ayan. Makikita nyo, delete ko ito lahat. Para hindi tayo problema. Okay? So, let me just clear it up. Next lang. Then, don't forget to click OK. So, wala na. So, papalitan din natin dito yung long wave transmit. Instead of control caps lock, gagawin daw natin siyang Y. Okay? So, dito sa TFAR animations, pwede natin doon tanggalin, no? Okay? So, your call if you want to unbind it. And then, dun sa, natin, no? Goblins, and then, so, pwede natin itong gawin is pag-canted, no? Pwede natin tanggalin if you don't want canted. Okay? So, much better, kasi may conflict sa ibang controls, no? Then, next thing that we're going to do is muna tayo sa Ace Common. Since nawala yung natin, no? Hanapin ka na yung Zeus, no? Zeus. Ayan. So, hindi na siya, what do you call this? Hanapin ka na yung controls ito. Right. Zeus. Sa configure base yan pala, no? Dito. Name Zeus. Instead of Y, gawin na natin siyang 9. Okay? So, so far, iyon lang naman, no? Yun na yung maano natin sa controls. Meron pa tayong additional pa pala. So, go to controls. Meron tayong breach door, no? So, configure add-ons, breach, and lockpicking. Okay. So, instead of shift home, ako kasi ginagawa ko dito tab. Okay? So, your call naman kung paano mo siya gagawin, no? Ang recommended dito is 4. Pero, this is fine. Okay? So, ayun lang naman. Thank you. Welcome to 2BCT.